Business Spur in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. Once again, we are on blizzard conditions. Very few places are open. Every once in a while, look at the subway. Every once in a while, you can't see a thing. There's the Pizza Hut where I had lunch today for Gary Carly's birthday. Look at the icicles on that Pizza Hut. Every once in a while, it will clear up like this. There's Jimmy John's. And then in a couple minutes later, it'll be snowing and blowing white out where you can't even see to drive. So this is nice right now. We can actually see for a little bit. Maybe I can zoom in on some things. Snowbanks there. Lots of snow. I'm not sure what the downtown is like. We're going to go down that way now. We have a Family Dollar coming up on the right. And I noticed, I didn't make it down this far today earlier, and they are closed. Yep. Look at the icicles on that house. Now I'm guessing when I get down here, the first business on the right down there is Rite Aid. That'll probably be open. There's Neville's, that's a small grocery store. They're probably open. Yep. The family-owned businesses like that, some of the small ones, they're open. They put a lot of sand down here. Probably because the hill was icy maybe yesterday. So we could go pretty fast now without sliding. Maybe it's nicer down this way. Oh, not as bad. Yep. Looks like it's blowing on the bridge though. So we'll take another, we'll keep going. And there's Rite Aid. They are open. Well, there's not a lot of businesses down here anyway, so mainly like offices. So this is the main street, Ashman Street. Many years ago, it used to have really good stores and lots of stuff down here, and then Kmart, Walmart, all the big stores came in way out there, so now there's really nothing left down here. Oh, it looks like an ambulance is coming. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it. So, we're on our way down, we'll go to Portage Street. Under the Ashman Bridge. Is that an ambulance up there? Looks like it might be. Let's zoom in and see. Oh, it looks like it might just be stopped at the Avery Center. There's an older person. No? Oh, I can't really tell what it's doing. Oh yeah, I guess it's moving. We'll just go over to the side for a second. We can get a nice view. There's the ambulance. Look at how big the snowbanks are downtown here. Should pull over and get a few pictures. Let's do that.